Right, okay. Today our topic is to learn about the use of trigonometric identities to find the integration. Right. So in last session, we just know how we supposed to integrate these integrations we knew today. We knew how to integrate sin x we knew, cos x we knew, and we already found for tan x, sec x, cosec x, cot x, sec squared x and cosec squared x. What are the other facts? Sec x tan x, cosec x, cot x. So we knew how to find these integrations, how to find the answers for these integrations in our last session today. Right, okay. Then today our objective is to identify there are several integration facts where we should know how to do the integration of these things today. Right, okay. So initially I will explain step by step how to go in with that. So these are the standard formats where we should know while we are doing these integrations today. We should know how to find the integration of these facts. Sin squared x, how to integrate it, how to integrate cos squared x, how to integrate tan squared x, how to integrate cot squared x, sec squared x, sec squared x and cosec squared x. We know for the moment how to find those integrations, but for the moment we don't know these things. Apart from that, we should know how to integrate these points today. Sin ax, cos ax. The next one is sin ax. These things. Cos ax. Yes, this one. So sorry, this one. Sorry. Sin ax, cos bx. Sin ax, sin bx, cos ax, cos bx. We should know how to find these integrations. Those are the facts where we should know in our in today's lesson. Right. Okay. Anyway, we will go ahead one by one how to find it today. Initially, I will use with this today. Integration of tan squared x. Straightforward, we don't have any integration for tan squared x. What we can do is, we know that today 1 plus tan squared x is equal to how much? That is sec squared x. With that you can say tan squared x is equals to sec squared x minus 1. Then instead of this, then you can write this is sec squared x minus 1. That is integration of sec squared x is tan x minus 1 integration is x plus c is the final answer. Right. Then for example, if you go ahead with tan squared 3x, what we can substitute here is, instead of this I can write this is sec squared 3x minus 1. If you integrate sec squared 3x, that is 1 over 3 tan 3x minus x plus c is the final answer for this question today. Now I know how to find this part of how to find integration of this already found. Right? That is the first approach of today's lesson. Right. Then let's go ahead with the next part of it. Right. Then integration of, I'll go ahead with this today. Cot squared x. Is that clear what I'm writing in the board? here. This is to the right. Is how to find the integration of cot squared x. Then we know that cot squared x plus 1, cot squared x plus 1 is equals to cosec squared x. It's a trigonometric relationship we know. So instead of cot squared x, I can write cosec squared x minus 1 today. So with that, you can say, instead of this, you can say this is cosec squared x minus 1. If you do this integration, cosec squared x is minus cot x minus x plus is the final answer for this. If you go ahead with one example, if you want to integrate cosec squared 5x, instead of this, I can write this is cot squared x 5x. Cot squared 5x. So this is, you can say, cosec squared 5x minus 1. So this is minus 1 over 5 cot 5x minus x is the answer for this with the plus. Put a plus here at the end. That is your final answer. That is the way of integrating cot squared x. Right. Let's come up with the next part of it. Right. Now we already know how to find those integrations. Write it as a note. Those are the standard formulas where we learn when we are working out with these integrations. Right. Next, I'm moving up to how to integrate this cos squared x. Sorry, I just come up with this after that. Integration of cos squared x. Then straightforward, as I mentioned in the previous questions, you don't have any standard formula to get it straightforward answer, but you can write, we know there's a formula cos 2x is equals to 2 cos squared x minus 1. We already learned this formula in our double angle theories. So instead of cos squared, so you can say you subject cos squared x, this is cos 2x plus 1, that is cos squared x equals to cos 2x plus 1 divided by 2. The meaning of this term is like this. This is 1 over 2 cos 2x plus 1 over 2 is equals to cos squared x. So instead of this integration, you can say 1 over 2 cos 2x plus 1 over 2 dx. Then if 1 over 2 cos 2x integration, what is the cos 2x integration? 1 over 2 sine 2x. We have already learned yesterday how to integrate this much. Plus 1 over 2 integration is x over 2. So your final answer is 1 over 4 sine 2x plus x over 2. This is the integration for cos squared x. Right. Then we will go ahead with one example. If this is not just x, if you turn up to 5x, 5x. Then if I turn this one into 5x today, this turn up into how much today? This term turn up to 10x. So this is 5x, this is 10x. 10x, this is 5x, and this is 10x. This is 5x, then this is 10x. Then 10x. This is turned up to 10x. Then if you do this integration, this 1 over 2 cos 10x integration is 1 over 10. Then it doesn't make impact. So this is turned up to 1 over 20 cosine this 10, and this one also turn up to 10. It should be the double the angle over here, which replace over here, and you can just get this answer. That is the way of doing this integration. According to the way you change this angle, the other part of the side changes with that if this is 5x, this value should be 10x, twice double the angle. It's a double angle theory. That's how it comes to it. Right. Then we already found this one. Now I'm coming to this question. Right. Then if you want to integrate sine squared 2x, sine squared x dx, we know that the formula cos 2x. There's another cos formula for sine squared x, that is 1 minus 2 sine squared x. Sorry, x. Then if you subject sine squared x, you can say, sorry, just minus this minus 2 sine squared x equals to cos 2x minus 1. Therefore, sine squared x is equals to cos 2x minus 1 divided by minus 2. Divided by minus 2. So if you do this, this is turned up to 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 cos 2x is equals to sine squared x. Then instead of this sine squared x, I can replace 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 cos 2x dx. Then this is x over 2 minus 1 over 2 into 1 over 2 sine 2x plus c. That is x over 2 minus 1 over 4 sine 2x plus c is the answer for this. That is how it comes. Okay, but then if I change this into a different angle, I should have changed karana. I ganna 8x on. If this is 8x, what happened to this angle? Now this is turned up to 16x. And I'm turn up to 8x. This is turned up to 16x. This is 8x and this is 16x. Other facts does not change us. 8x and this is 16x. So 1 over 2, this is turned up to 16x. So this does not change us. This is turned up to 16x and this is turned up to how much? 1 over 16. So this is does not change us. 2 into 8, 16 is 32. This is turned up to sine 16x. That is the answer for this question. So according to the angle you replace over here, we should know how to do this part. Right. Okay, I'll erase this. Now we have completed the integration of first 4 trigonometric formats. Right. Now I'm moving to this. Integration of sin x cos x. Sin x cos x. We know that there is a trigonometric formula. Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. Now this part is available here. That part is available here. Therefore, you can say sin x cos x is equals to 1 over 2 sin 2x. Then instead of this integration, I can replace 1 over 2 sine 2x dx. Then again turn up to 1 over 2 sine 2x integration is minus 1 over 2 cos 2x. I think this is clear. So your final answer is minus 1 over 4 cos 2x plus 6 is the final answer for this. Then, if this angle is not x, but remember that, okay, suppose that this is 5x and 5x. Remember that these two angles should be similar to apply to this formula. If this is 5x and 6x or x with 3x, you cannot do it. If these two angles are similar only, I can come up with this formula what I am doing with it. So if I replace here with 5x and here with 5x, this turn up to 10x. This is 5x, 5x, and this is turn up to 10x. So this is 1 over 2 sine 10x. 10x. So then it's 1 over 2. This is minus 1 over 10, and this is 10x. So minus 1 over 20 cos 10x is the answer for that. That's a way of getting that. Okay. I'll resist it a bit. Now we are moving up to another theory. So that is, if these angles are not similar, this condition. That's a fact we have to understand now. Then this is the way. Integration of sine 3x cos 5x. The angles are now not similar. Then how do we supposed to do this kind of situation? That is a point we have to understand. Right. Yes, my part here. This part we will be learning in our PO4. The Banavita has extended to PO4. So later on we'll come up with that. Under PO3, you'll come up to this extent only. Right? Okay. So we'll be doing in P4 section. Because that is there, nothing to worry. That is there. But we are learning this in our PO4 sections today, not in here. Right. Let's come up with a question somewhere like this today. Okay. So those are the formulas where we should know under this the lesson. Right. Then how are we supposed to learn some kind of examples? Let's go ahead with few examples and see whether how to do these things. Right? If you need to do this kind of integration of sec x plus tan x all things squared. In this kind of situations, what we need to do is straightforward. We cannot get this integration. The simple way where we can do is we can expand the brackets. Sec squared x plus 2 sec x plus sec x tan x plus tan squared x. So over here we have an integration for this, not a problem, and we have an integration for this one also. Sec squared x integration is tan x. This is this one also. integration of sec x, right? Then this is the problem where we come across with it. So according to the theory, what we have learned, instead of tan squared x, I can write this is sec squared x minus 1. So this equation turn up to sec x tan x and sec squared x. Now what you can get here, I can add these two terms to it. That is 2 sec squared x plus 2 sec x tan x minus 1. That's a fact where we have to understand. Right. Then this is 2 sec squared x integration is tan x plus 2 sec x tan x integration is sec x minus x. Plus C is the answer for that. That's a way where we can understand.
Sir,
Yes, Pate.
sir, how did the 2 come? 2 sec squared?
Here. Here
No,
or here?
front
Method.
palya. So
Here.
2 sec squared x.
Addition of these two.
Okay.
Right? Okay. Yes, right. I'll list this bit of it. Right. Then so if you want to integrate sin x plus cos x, all things squared. All things squared. Right. Then what you can get here. So that is the integration of sin squared x plus 2 sin x cos x plus cos squared x. Integration of sin squared x plus cos squared x is 1 plus 2 sin x cos x. Then for 2 sin x cos x, we have a formula. What is it? So you can replace this is 1 plus sin 2x. 1 integration is x plus sin 2x integration is minus 1 over 2 cos 2x. Plus is the final answer for this. Remember children, when you do this, you have to do the previous sessions and get ready with it. Other than that, it will be kind of hard for you to analyze these questions. That is why I'm always requesting you to get ready with these things and do accordingly.
Sir,
Yes.
why minus half? Minus, okay, half.
Here, because what is the integration of sin ax? Integration of sin ax is ax plus b. Make it plus b can name it. So this is minus 1 over a sin, cos ax plus b. From the formulas what you have learned yesterday.
Yeah.
So it may be under method 2 method 1 over 2 minus cos 2x.
Okay, sir.
Right, that's it. Okay, then if you happen to simplify this kind of situation, I'm just doing random questions, but then you just work out with this and get it. 1 minus sin x over cos squared x. Yeah, so what is the integration over here? So simply you can say this is, so you don't have any integration over here. There with that, I can find 1 over cos squared x is how much? Sec squared x plus sin x over cos squared x. I think we have done this kind of question yesterday. So instead of sin x over cos squared x is, you can say tan x sec x. After that, sec squared x is tan x sec x, tan x is integration of sec x. So you can get that answer. That is not a new section because we need one question related to that. Yeah, මෙහෙම එකක් ආවා. Cos 2x over cos squared x. Then if you happen to see this, what you can say? Cos 2x we will write in form of 2 cos squared x minus 1 over cos squared x. Then 2 cos squared x divided by cos squared x is 2 minus 1 over cos squared x is sec squared x. Right. So the integration of 2 is 2x minus sec squared x is tan x plus c. Is the final answer for that. That's a way of doing this kind of a question. Right. Okay. Yes. And මෙහෙම එකක් ආවත් පුතේ. Integration of 1 over sin squared x cos squared x. How do you supposed to do this kind of an integration? Right. Then we have a situation we don't, because like if you take it up even in cos x squared x, x squared x, it won't work. I will just take this one as sin x cos x all things squared. That's a way of doing this question. Then we know that sin x cos x over 1 over 2 sin 2x all things squared. Sin x, because you know that sin 2x is equals to 2 sin x cos x. Therefore, sin x cos x is equals to 1 over 2 sin 2x. Right. Then you can take this 2 up. So return up to 2 over sin 2x all things squared. Right. Then this integration of 4 cosec 2x here. Sin 2x 1 over sin 2x is cosec 2x. Then what you can get here? Cosec 2x, how can we do with this integration? Sorry, cosec squared. Sorry, this is cosec squared. Cosec squared. Sorry, because when you make the squared, I forgot to square this part. Then what you can get here? Then we know that this is answer is 4 into cosec square 2x is minus 1 over 2 cot 2x plus is the answer. So you can say this is minus 2 cot 2x plus is the final answer for this. That's a way of doing this kind of questions. And now you can try with exercise 7c and